Yeah, so I just hopped up in this customer's roof. This is actually a repair job we're doing on some insulation that was already up here. So I recommended, I come and did a quote on this and recommended a top up, and to fix up these things to Australian standards. So they've got a downlight shroud around here, but there's a foam shroud, and so we're going to replace those. And as you can see, it's pretty tight on that, and it shouldn't be quite so tight. But the other thing is, people, you know, like sometimes they think that the cellulose fibre was settled in the roof, but as you can see here, if it had settled, there would have been, or rather, actually, there you can't probably tell. But let me look around. Oh yeah, just up the end here, right? So if the cellulose had settled, what would have happened was, see this bit here has been over the top of the joist, and if it had settled, that would have settled down like that and come away, right? And that, so you'd have a gap there like that. But anywhere where the cellulose is on top of a joist like that, you can see that it hasn't come away. It's just sitting on top of the joist the way it was when it was pumped in, and so you can see over here it's piled up on top of that joist, right, just the way it was pumped in. So the product hasn't settled, it's just that it wasn't put in deep enough. And if I come over here, I can show you how inadequate it actually is you see this bit here, that's literally 10 millimeters of insulation there. It should be up to there, right, all the way across the whole job, right? And so it's actually quite light on all the way around the roof. So we've got to go and top it all up, and so you can see out here in this bay here, again, you know, that's the steel batten there, and that's the joist, and you can even see underneath the joist. So this is where, you know, people get a cheap quote, and the guy just goes, oh yeah, I can do it for less for you, and he just pumps in less material, and then you end up